Good morning, students. Today we are going to take up lesson number 5, articles, page number 34. Articles, this is divided into two. Here you can see definite, the other side indefinite articles. The example of definite article is the, the, and the other side indefinite examples, you can say a and n. These are the examples of indefinite articles. Now, the choice between a or n depends on their initial sounds of the words before which it is used. Just like a boy, an intelligent boy, a very intelligent boy. The first one, the usage of a, we can see a is used before consonants, whereas n is used before vowel sound. And one more thing is there, okay. Between when we talk about these two, please don't be confused by the initial letter. Just like sometimes you'll be writing A, B, A, N, M, A hotel, an hour, and university. So you may get confused, but then okay, these confusions will clarify when we talk about the usage of A or N. We'll talk about them separately so that you get a clear view of these two, and then we will discuss definite article later on. Usage of a, we use before consonants. In the book also you can see there at page number 35, here it is said, okay, a is used before words that begin with consonant sounds, like a dog, a knife, a university, a red umbrella, a shower orange. The next rule, before abbreviations, as I've already told you, before abbreviations, just like BA, Bachelor of Art, okay, art. We write A before it. Next we have, before words begin, okay, with the consonant sounds regardless of their spellings, as I've already told you before. Now here it says, okay, you need to remember two things. Which are those two things? The pronunciations, okay, like U and W. Let's talk about this one. When a word, okay, pronounce like you, just like you, it depends on the pronunciation also, pronunciation. So as I already told you, if any word is pronounced or said, okay, when you say, if it sounds like you, then you must definitely place a before it. A before it. One more sounds, okay, let me tell you. One. So these two pronunciations, okay. What? When you pronounce you and wa, if any word, when you say or pronounce, if that word is pronounced either like you and wa, okay, if it is pronounced like this, then you will be placing a before it. Just like the examples, like uniform. Uniform. So, though it starts with vowel, yet you have to place a before it just because of its pronunciations. What is the pronunciations? Uniform. So, uniform, you see, it comes like, when you pronounce these words, it comes like uniform. So, you will place a before it. Now, one. As I already told you, one. 1 rupee coin, otherwise one-eyed man, one-eyed man, one-eyed man, O-N-E, one-eyed man, one-eyed man. When you say one-eyed man, here also the pronunciation, O-N-E, one is pronounced like wa, one. So here also you will have to place a before it. I hope, okay, these two concepts is clear to you. Just you have to remember, if your pronunciations, okay, when you pronounce a particular word, if those words or that word sounds like either you and wa, then definitely you have to place a before that words, even if it starts with a vowel. Now we will talk about the N. N is used before vowels. Just like umbrella. You see, umbrella. So umbrella. This word is pronounced, okay? Umbrella. So we'll write an umbrella. When you like apple, when you write apple also, okay, apple, before that you will have to write an apple. So remember, okay, this usage. And in the book you can see here, page number 35, and is used before words that begin with vowel sounds: an amazing dog, an unknown university, an umbrella, an hour, an orange. So these are few things, okay, which you need to keep in mind. Otherwise, okay, there will be a lot of confusions. So in order to avoid this too, okay, I have already discussed only A and N. And on the next day, okay, we will be discussing about the usage of the, because in the book you can see, okay, quite many rules are there, quite many examples are also there. We will be seeing on the next day. Hope I have made it clear to you. If there are any kind of difficulties, please let me know. Thank you so much.